Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. Are very special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So today I'm starting these videos from my home, and actually guys, I supposed to go and meet with my friend one-on-one. So actually guys, in case you're new here on this vlog and you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe. Love is for free. And today the weather is so bad. Maybe you, for my premiere gang, today you'll miss these videos. So but for the premiere only, guys, so it depends the minutes that I supposed maybe to hit, because with some few minutes it wanna start raining, and I want to rush from here to my friend. So actually guys, there is my bike here. Alright guys, so before I leave home, so let me show for the new subscriber. We had the projects here and there, but we finish up, and for me I feel so good when I have the project around my home. Guys, look, that's the project that I have. And imagine I started on June, and it took me 6 months. I finished everything, and I thank God. So right now my family is using that toilet that you see there, even the washroom or the bathroom and toilet, guys. So for me, which I build, I'm calling this the modern toilet. But although it doesn't have maybe flashing water here and there, so maybe in future we'll do it. But for now, we just do this one for good way, you know. So at least guys, you can comment on the comment section, what did you see guys here? And I put inside tiles, outside, and technically I finished this. I said, God, thank you so much. And I have another project, guys. Let me take you. So when I finish that one, you are so good to me, and you advise me, hello baby, finish one project and you go to the next step. I finished that one, and guys, right now I'm on the process of buying materials here and there, you know. So for my mama dream house, guys, dream Alvarez, I'm telling you every day. Let me know in the comment section, dream are valid, you know. So wow, we have the balance stones here, and you see over here we have the balance and the stones. But I deliver some stones from here toward the other side, because when the time reach, I want to build my mama dream house. So for them, maybe for my handman or the people who maybe they need job, they can deliver those stones to the house easily. So right now here we have these balance stones here, and technically, that being said, right now we have the stones here, you know. These are the stones that I bought for my mom's dream house. And in case you're new here, this is another project that I started I think this week. And the year of 2024 is the year of success. Thank you so much guys, by keep watching me, don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So here and there, and you supporting me in other way, and which I really appreciate for your love and support, guys, toward my family. So just over here, you know. Wow. So right now, so far so good. We lucky I'm missing, or I'm lacking 2 tippers. We complete maybe the issue of buying the hardcore ground stones, you know. It's slowly, step by step, guys. For me, when I get money, I'm telling you guys, I spend in terms of construction or building and construction. And that being said, I want to build my mama dream house, 3-bedroom. For those people asking me, what's your plan of your house, or what's your plan of your mama dream house? Anyway, it's 3-bedroom house. So you can go and watch my last videos. Last month I was updating my mom the house that I supposed to build for her. And actually, guys, that's the step that you see, guys. There. Anyway, let's go. So you see the material. So that's my grandma home. And in the future, or let me say next year, by God's grace, and I say God to give me more good health and more years, I can maybe change my family. So in the future, I'll build my mama that house here. So because you are on the next you are the next close to start a new year, which is 2025. So you can see how it goes here. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. Today's videos, I'm leaving home and I'm going to somewhere else to meet with my friend one-on-one, guys. Guys, finally I'm just on these beautiful rivers here, and this is the beauty of our village. So actually we have free water running here and there, you can see from there. And technically, guys, today I'm meeting with one of our good friends within our village, although we are being separated, maybe some different maybe villages here and there. And actually today, guys, I'm in Mabera right now. So as you can speak right now, guys, look, the free water, and it's clean, guys. I'm telling you, look, clean. So anyway, guys, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. So today I'm going to share with you this story here and there. So technically he was close friends to mine, and I will let you know everyone to maybe introduce himself and what they are thinking about maybe today's videos. But anyway, guys, I'm flowing with the vibe, so let's go. Imagine, guys, oh, step here, oh, look. And then, guys, if you feel like you can take free shower, you can maybe swim, it's clean water. And actually going this way, it's hectic. So I want to use that bridge that you see there, so to cross to other side. And technically I'm so grateful. Wow, guys, you heard the noise of the water, like boop, 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 boop. Look, and it's going this way. So actually this water, it connects Lake Victoria, and then from Lake Victoria it goes to River Nile in Egypt. Why not? River Nile, I think, in Ethiopia. Why not, guys? Imagine this water, we're running from here to Lake Victoria, which is the largest Lake Victoria in Africa. From there to River Nile to Ethiopia, guys. Why not? So let's go. Oh man, whoa, dude. Oh, guys, so here you must be very carefully when you step on the stones. And actually, guys, I was coming from right there. So anyway, let's go. Man, I was struggling here and there. Why not hello baby? Oh, amazing view. And I want to use that bridge to go other side, because going this way it's hectic. Let's go. Oh man. So if maybe people have disability and they want to go other side, it's simple. Look. Simple. Mura, Pipi. Kids are going there. So I'm on the top of the bridge, and actually I was coming from right there, guys. Imagine over there. It sounds like crazy, but it is what it is, guys. Wow. Imagine. It's a bridge, man. Oh! Anyway, I think it's strong. I was coming from other side. So anyway, guys, let's go. It was my first time to be here. It was my pleasure to be here again, and I thank God for the gift of life. Every single minute I say, God, thank you. And man, today to be here, it's by God's grace. Man, I'm telling you, in our village here and there, people excavate some stones from the ground. Look, this one have been excavated from here. Why not? Look, from here. And right now they want to sell and getting money, all stuff. Look there. And guys, don't forget, I have my bike around, and technically I left at my friend's home, and maybe if I could go back, I could show you my bike. So imagine, guys, without you, maybe nowadays I couldn't be here. And I'm telling you guys, it's so hot. Wow, guys. But oh, I want to be like this. Let's go. It's so hot, guys, here. So here and there you can see. So guys, maybe let me allow them to introduce. And I'm a humble guy. I want to give each and everybody a shout out, guys. Maybe on my videos you let know who I'm talking to, who. Wow, let's go. It's one-on-one videos, guys, no more hide. Wow, maybe I will start with one here. No ladies here, like you can see, ladies first. So you are men here, right? Special shout out, bro.
Hi, bro.
I'm good.
Yes. My name is Evara. My YouTube channel is Official Evara. Welcome to my our village once again. I know you've been here, yeah, right?
I've been here maybe one day, brought some visitor here and then go back.
Oh, you brought someone here. Yeah, so welcome.
Are you a musician?
Again. No.
Yeah, I see your shirt, bro.
This is Travis Scott. I love Travis Scott. Yeah, so let me show your guys my channel so that they can follow me.
Guys, today's videos, it's one-on-one, and I'm decide, no matter what, I want to give everybody here a shout out who is a YouTuber.
Thank you, guys.
And guys, it's good to share idea from one another to Hello Baby, guys. And show him some love, guys. One-on-one. If they can get 5 subscribers from my channel, I really appreciate it, guys.
Yeah, thank you. So this is my channel.
Oh, those ads.
Okay.
Hey, bro.
This is my channel, guys. Yeah, please go and subscribe to my channel.
Official Evara.
Yeah.
You see there, guys, go and subscribe. You have 5,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
We're on the same league, guys. I'm telling you. I'm 5,000.
You have 5,000 too.
The difference is 200 subscribers.
Oh, okay. Thank you, guys, for subscribing, also supporting us. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my video. Thank you, bro.
Official Evara.
Yeah, Official Evara.
Go and check him. Today's one-on-one, guys. Hey, I fear the dogs.
No, don't fear dogs. These dogs are very friendly. These dogs are very friendly.
Okay, let me start with the one of the dogs, and then I come for you.
Okay, bro, no problem.
Hey, mnasonga huko basi. Chapana namshikia kamba fupi. Sikieni fupi. You're the owner of this dog?
Yes, I'm the owner of Bruce and Whiskey.
Whiskey?
Yeah.
And Bruce?
And Bruce. Yeah, they are 10 months old as of now. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid.
10 months?
10 months only. And it's very scary. So they are still puppies. That's why they are jumping around. They are not yet that much disciplined.
You have trained them?
Basics. Basics. But
Oh.
they are just puppies. You might train them, but still, if they decide to run away, they'll be puppies.
Oh.
But they are very loyal dogs. Very loyal dogs.
Guys, imagine if I could have only one dog at my family.
You want a male or a female?
I want a male. I don't like female. Yes.
Exactly like this car.
This car. It depends. Even black. That one. Anyone.
You'll get one.
Yes.
You'll get one. By February. You'll be having puppies.
Unipe niko kubwa ama kidogo?
Si kadogo tu.
Nataka ninaenda kula bana.
Sitaki unaanza nayo, si ndio yeye unaanza nayo. Kama vile mimi nilianza na hizi. Uliza Slimy. Nilikuwa na kabeba hivi kwa mkono. Na sasa unaona vile iko.
Bana shika kama ndo isije kuniuma. Bruce. Hey. All right. Give a special shout out, bro.
So guys, welcome to, you said it's
Hello Baby Official.
Hello Baby Official. My name is David Ismaro. I also have a channel.
Murashika kamera ujiongeze.
Hello Baby Official. Subscribe, like, comment on his channel, guys. Also subscribe to my channel, David.Ismaro. You'll find me there. So this is Bruce. And this is Whiskey. Imeenda nika imeenda. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Usiogope.
Unajua that's why nilikuwa naambia Hello Baby. Hizi dogi hata unajua mara wana dogi kama hivi.
Usiogope.
Sio iseme vacha.
Yaani bora tunaongea hivi. Unaona vile tunaongea hivi. Ishajua si ni mabeshti.
Lakini akipelekea si anaweza appreciate.
Ishajua si ni mabeshti. Haiwezi.
Nilikuwa naambia dog surprise mara na dogi.
Mbele ilikuwa hii ende.
Si ilikuwa tumsurprise ni.
Tunipe hiyo.
Si uniokolee subscribers uone, mimi nakupea roho.
Okay, nipe hiyo mimi. Nipe hii niende na uone. Nipe hii.
Hii itakuwa ngumu, hiyo ni rahisi kidogo.
Guy, mbona?
Hii ni ya mjuni anaijua.
Sasa ni ya kike.
Hii ni ya kike.
Sasa ziende kuzaza nyumbani bro.
Sasa hii ni pesa. Hii ndio pesa.
Okay. Ama ile.
Hiyo iko na mongre ndani yake.
Etini ya nani? Ini ya nani?
Ini ya kijana. My boy at home. Ile nilileta nilimwambia ni dog yake. So if he finds it missing.
Okay, you want to give me that one? Nipe ile.
Ninaweza peana ni
nipe basi.
Lakini hiyo sasa negotiation bado hatujamaliza. Tusimaliza saa hii. Negotiation itabidi tu.
Alright guys, story for another day. So, okay. Introduce yourself. Mimi nakupa kamera.
Oh, hello guys. Welcome to Hello Baby's channel. This is official Slimy Boy. It's see this Mara. This is Omwami. You know it's one of the Sure? Yes. Wow. You see that? So these are we are raising beasts. Yeah, so guys, sorry for interference. This is official Slimy Boy. Guys, welcome to Hello Baby's channel. I know it's been long, guys. I've been offline for a long time, but I'm sorry for that. It's not my fault, you know. It's because I was in Nairobi and I was working, so I was lacking that time of maybe making a film, walking around to film and upload. You know very well when once you are employed by someone's company, you can't do your own things first. You have to first priority. You have to do the work, then the rest will follow. So I was given some choices. It's either you do content or you work. So since I was there and I was like, it's the only support that I had when I was there, I decided to do the work, then forget about the films. But remember, it's something that I've been working for a long time, and I went offline and I was so disappointed about that. So guys, that's why I decided to come back online. I rather run from there to continue with my channel, guys. So that's why I came here. And my friend Hello Baby, I called him yesterday. I told him, hey bro, I'm around. Can you just come and we do a film? And say it's been long, we say hello to each other. My brother responded and came, and I'm so happy because I've enjoyed with him being here, guys. You know, it shows that we have that love in the village, you know. We love each other, supporting each other, and that's all about everything. So guys, I know if maybe it's your first time knowing Slimy Boy, you can visit my channel at official Slimy Boy KE. Watch my videos, subscribe and show me love. I'm a good friend to Ayamara, a good friend to Mara's family, and a good friend to Hello Baby. So once you see me with Hello Baby, know that this is Team Mara and Mara strong, the strongest team from Mara's side. Yeah guys. So bro, I appreciate so much for coming manze.
Wow, guys.
Nashukuru sana ndugu yangu.
Asante sana. Asante sana means thank you guys. Kuna mwenye nimeacha nyuma? Apart you, kuna mwenye nimeacha nyuma? Okay.
He is my younger brother.
Okay, introduce yourself, bro.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is official Mzazilo here. Please sub to my channel. Yeah, and support Hello Baby's channel too.
And actually guys, this is my younger brother. You can see, I don't know if we look alike, but there he's my younger brother. You know I'm the second last born. He's our last born.
Yeah, actually.
He just did Form 4 last year. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think very soon he'll be joining college. So guys, let's support his channel and show love. That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Boom.
guys.
Keep watching, guys.
Kuna mwingine nimeacha?
Hey.
Right, thank you so much guys. Kama kuna mwingine nimeacha mseme. Right guys. Well guys, thank you so much. I want to end my video maybe here. But we joined together. So we want to talk the issue of the puppy or the dog. I want to take to my village guys. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey. Guys, if you heard from each and everyone what maybe he's telling about you, go and subscribe him guys, and I really appreciate. So thank you for the love and support. You're amazing people to me, and we shall meet maybe while I'm going to take my bike at Slim Boy's official his home guys. Stay blessed.